What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, and welcome back to this video. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And what I talk about this channel is how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and ways how to make you get better, and ways how I could teach you guys how to make money online. So for my regulars, welcome back. Happy to have you here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about make money online selling your pictures. That's right. I'm going to show you guys how you can make money by selling pictures. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to give you a couple of websites that you can work with. So if you got a smartphone, right? If you just got a little phone, a smartphone, or you got a little camera, right? You can start taking pictures and make money with it. And you can make anywhere from, I would say, $50 to $200 just by selling pictures, all right? So I'm going to jump into things right away. I'm going to show you guys exactly where to go and how you can do some upload and how you can make money right away. So the first website that I found how you can sell your pictures is 123rf.com, right? So on here, you can sell your photos. You can make money with this website right away. Take pictures. They have different categories, right? So all these different websites have different categories. Now, I'm going to also share with you an app as well that you can use, because we know that not everybody has a computer. Some of you have a smartphone. So I'm going to show you ones that you can use with your phone and your computer. So this one right here, you definitely can, you know, if this is your hobby and you like to take pictures, right? This is a great way how you can start make some money online, especially on the side. So if you like to go to places, take pictures, I know most people like to take selfies. Well, I don't think you can sell any selfies on here, but there's multiple ways and what's trending, right? These are what's trending. So of course, go with what is trending so at least you can get right in, all right? So the next website, well, this you can use from your phone as well. It's called Foap.com. So F-O-A-P, like soap, but Foap, right? And how it works, you just click on here, and they can tell you all the information that you need to get started, right? Click on down here, go through all the information, and you can get things up and running in no time selling your pictures, right? All right, so here's an app that's called, it's like Clash, but it's like Clash Shot, right? Or Clay Shot, or whatever you want to call it. You see the thing, people. You know what it is, right? So just type it in. It's an app. You can use it on your iPhone or on your Android, right? And you can go ahead, you could start, right, selling your best photos. And if you look down here, right, how do I sell photos? Just upload your photos, comply with simple quality requirements. So you can go through here and then look at this. What price range can my photos sell for, right? Anywhere from 50 cents to $80. Like you could bank, if you could get 3 photos that is worth $80 a pop, you're in the bag, right? That's all you need for the day. Of course, you definitely want to take some very unique shot for that price, I can assume, because you see what they say, 50 cents to 80 cents. So start getting your pictures taken, people, all right? My final website definitely is Alamy, right? You can go on here and you can sell your stock photos, start taking pictures, upload them, and you could just go through all these different websites. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I'm just sharing with you guys that it is possible to make money by selling your pictures or taking pictures with, whether you're going to do it professionally or you want to do it using your smartphone. So start snapping away, start taking pictures, and upload, give it a shot, and see if you get approved for any one of these and make some money on the side as well. All right, so that's just an extra way how you guys can make money. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, of course, check out the description. That is my #1 way of making money online. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace. Yeah, man.